Alright, so what's up guys? BBB2001 here. We all know Photoshop. It's the undisputed king of photo editing, the industry standard, the one everyone talks about. But let's be real, that Adobe Creative Cloud subscription can be a pretty significant hit to the wallet, especially if you're just starting out, a student, or maybe you just need to make some quick edits without committing to a monthly fee. The good news is, the software landscape has evolved, and there are now some seriously powerful free alternatives out there that can get you pretty close, and in some cases, offer exactly what you need without costing a dime. So, in this video, we're diving deep into 7 of the best free apps that can genuinely replace Photoshop for a lot of common tasks. We're talking full-fledged editors, some browser-based, some downloadable, each with its own strengths. The goal here is to give you a solid overview so you can figure out which one might slot perfectly into your workflow. And the best part? You don't need to pull out your credit card to get started with any of these. They're free to use for their core, powerful features. Now, a quick heads up. Some of these apps do offer optional paid upgrades or premium features, and a couple might have free trials for their more advanced tiers. But for everything we're focusing on today, the free version is robust and packed with enough functionality to handle serious image manipulation, design work, or just touching up your photos. We're looking for that sweet spot of power and accessibility, all without that subscription looming over you. Let's get into it. First up on the list is Photopea, and this one is genuinely impressive, especially if you're already familiar with Photoshop's layout. The headline feature here is that it runs entirely in your web browser. There's nothing to download, nothing to install. You just go to photopea.com and boom, you've got a surprisingly complete photo editor ready to go. This makes it incredibly accessible. Whether you're on a Chromebook, a friend's computer, or just don't want to clutter your system with more software, it supports a massive range of file formats, including PSD, XCF, Sketch, and of course, your standard JPEGs, PNGs, and GIFs. The convenience factor here is a huge win straight out of the gate. The interface is where Photopea really shines for Photoshop users. It's not just similar, it's almost a mirror image in many respects. You've got your layers panel, your toolbar on the left, your adjustment options. It's all incredibly familiar. This drastically reduces the learning curve if you're transitioning from Adobe's ecosystem. You'll find essential tools like selection tools, brushes, text tools, healing brushes, and even support for layer styles, masks, and smart objects. While it might not have every single niche feature of the latest Photoshop, the core functionality for professional-grade editing is surprisingly well represented, making it a fantastic free alternative. Next, let's talk about GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. This one has been around for a long time, and it's a true open-source titan in the world of image editing. Being open source means it's completely free, developed by a dedicated community, and constantly evolving. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, so it's a versatile option regardless of your operating system. GIMP is known for its power and flexibility, often being compared directly to Photoshop in terms of its capabilities, and for good reason. It's a serious piece of software that can handle complex tasks. Don't let the free tag fool you into thinking it's basic. GIMP offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to photographers, graphic designers, and illustrators alike. You're looking at advanced selection and masking tools, sophisticated retouching features, a robust set of brushes and patterns, extensive color management options, and a powerful system for layers and channels. It supports a wide array of plugins and scripts, further extending its functionality. While the interface has historically been a point of discussion, recent updates have made it more user-friendly, and its customizable nature allows you to tailor the workspace to your liking. For those willing to invest a little time in learning its intricacies, GIMP is an incredibly rewarding and capable free editor. Moving on, we have Krita. Now, while Krita can certainly handle photo manipulation, its primary focus and where it truly excels is in digital painting and illustration. If you're an artist looking for a free, professional-grade tool, Krita is definitely one you need to check out, particularly if you're working on a Windows machine, though it's also available for macOS and Linux. It's developed by artists for artists, and that really shows in its feature set and overall design philosophy. It's built from the ground up to provide a smooth and intuitive painting experience. Krita boasts an impressive array of brush engines, over 100 professional quality pre-loaded brushes, in fact, offering everything from realistic bristles to complex particle effects. You can customize these extensively or even create your own. It features excellent layer management, including layer styles, masks, and blending modes, which are crucial for complex artwork. Other artist-centric features include a pop-up palette for quick access to colors and brushes, drawing assistance to help with perspective and vanishing points, and robust support for graphics tablets, including pressure sensitivity and tilt. For digital painters and illustrators, Krita offers a level of specialized functionality that's hard to beat in the free software space. Alright, next up is Pixlr, which actually offers two distinct web-based editors, Pixlr X and Pixlr E. This dual approach is pretty smart because it caters to different needs. Pixlr X is designed for quick, easy edits. Think one-click adjustments, simple filters, and fast touch-ups. It's incredibly user-friendly, with a clean, intuitive interface that won't overwhelm beginners. If you just need to crop an image, add some text, or apply a quick effect, Pixlr X is a fantastic choice. It's all about speed and simplicity for those everyday editing tasks. Then you have Pixlr E, which stands for Editor, and this version is more advanced, offering a feature set closer to traditional photo editors. It includes layers, more sophisticated selection tools, and a wider range of adjustments. What's particularly interesting about both Pixlr X and E is their integration of AI-powered tools. These can help with tasks like automatic background removal, object cutouts, and smart enhancements, which can significantly speed up your workflow. So, whether you need a super quick fix or something a bit more involved with a touch of AI magic, the Pixlr suite offers a flexible browser-based solution. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about Canva. While it's not a traditional pixel-level photo editor in the same vein as Photoshop or GIMP, Canva has carved out a massive niche for itself, particularly for users who need to create visually appealing graphics quickly, especially for social media, presentations, or marketing materials. Its strength lies in its incredible ease of use and its vast library of templates and design elements. If the thought of starting from a blank canvas is intimidating, Canva is your best friend. Canva operates on a drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible to literally anyone, regardless of their design experience. You can choose from thousands of professionally designed templates for pretty much any purpose. Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook covers, flyers, posters, you name it. Then you can customize these templates with your own images, text, colors, and a huge selection of free stock photos, icons, and illustrations. While its photo editing capabilities are more basic, think filters, cropping, brightness, and contrast, its power as a design tool for creating polished, shareable content quickly is undeniable. For many, especially content creators and small businesses, Canva can effectively replace the need for Photoshop for a lot of common design tasks. Next on our list is Photor, another strong contender in the free photo editing space, and its standout feature is its heavy reliance on AI to simplify and speed up the editing process. Photor aims to make photo enhancement fast and accessible, even if you don't have a deep understanding of complex editing techniques. It offers a suite of tools, both online and as downloadable apps, that leverage artificial intelligence to deliver impressive results with minimal effort. This is great for users who want to improve their photos quickly without getting bogged down in manual adjustments. Photor's AI-powered features include things like One-Tap Enhance, which automatically analyzes your photo and applies optimal adjustments for color, brightness, and sharpness. It also has AI-driven portrait retouching tools for smoothing skin, removing blemishes, and even reshaping facial features subtly. Beyond enhancements, Photor includes tools for creating collages, graphic designs, and applying various effects and filters. While it also offers manual controls for those who want more precision, the emphasis on AI-driven, easy-to-use functions makes it a very attractive option for users looking for quick, high-quality results without a steep learning curve. And last, but certainly not least, we have Photo Director Essential, which is the free version of Cyberlink's more comprehensive Photo Director suite. This version is specifically tailored for beginners or those who prefer a more guided approach to photo editing. It aims to demystify the editing process by offering a clean interface and a range of easy-to-understand tools, ensuring that even if you're new to photo manipulation, you can achieve impressive results without feeling overwhelmed. It's a great starting point if you find other editors a bit too complex. One of the key strengths of Photo Director Essential is its Guided Edits module. This feature walks you through various editing tasks step by step, explaining what each tool does and how to use it effectively. This is incredibly helpful for learning the fundamentals of photo editing. Beyond the guided tools, it still packs in all the essential features you'd expect: layer editing, adjustment tools for color and tone, creative effects, and even some AI-powered tools for things like sky replacement or object removal. While the free Essential version has some limitations compared to the full paid product, it provides a very solid and user-friendly foundation for anyone looking to get started with photo editing. So there you have it, 7 pretty compelling free alternatives to Photoshop, each with its own unique strengths and target audience. From the browser-based convenience of Photopea and Pixlr, the open-source power of GIMP, the artistic focus of Krita, the design simplicity of Canva, the AI smarts of Photor, to the beginner-friendly guidance of Photo Director Essential, there's a lot to explore. The best one for you really depends on your specific needs, what kind of projects you're working on, and frankly, which interface just clicks with you. My biggest recommendation is to actually try a few of these out. Since they're free to get started with, there's no risk involved. See which one feels most intuitive, which one has the tools that align with your workflow, and which one helps you achieve your creative vision most effectively. You might find that one of these is a perfect fit, or maybe you'll even end up using a combination of them for different tasks. The landscape of free creative software is richer and more capable than ever before, which is fantastic news for all of us. And remember, while some of these do have those paid upgrade paths, every single app we talked about today offers a really robust set of tools in its free version. You can accomplish a whole lot without ever spending a penny. So go ahead, give them a spin, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if there are any other great free editors I missed. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.